Solving two simultaneous equations. So we're going to put the values of a, b, c, d, e, f. Let's say a is 2, b is -1, c -1, d is -1, e -1, f is 2. So you substitute this, and then start step solving two simultaneous equations. You have this one, and then make y the subject of the formula, and then substitute the value that is you just put on there. So after substituting, call this equation 1, and then do the next one, make y the subject of the formula. Substituting the values, call this equation 2, and then you have to solve this two simultaneous. So for x simultaneous, equation 1 equals equation 2, just take 1 and 2 equation, put it both sides on the left and the right one, and then substitute it, taking the like term to one side, adding it, and then divide by 1,5 both sides. X equals 1, and then you're going to solve for y when x is 1. Use equation 1, substitute the value of x. This is the value of x, this is x here, this is multiplication, and then see what is y. Adding the 2 is -1. So the point of intersection or the value of x and y is this one. So this is how you will solve it. So if you want more other applications like this, such as these are the available other application apps, this one. If you are doing them, you can check them, can WhatsApp here, or visit YouTube for more videos like this, and that's it.